A genuine psychopath is often quite capable of acting like the most normal person when it suits their purposes, and it's possible that a new love interest could be hiding a lot of dark secrets. Whether or not you are truly dating a psychopath or in a relationship with a psychopath will surely become obvious at some point, but it's a whole lot better to find out sooner rather than later. That's why in today's video, I'll be talking about 10 signs that your partner is a psychopath and is hiding a lot more from you than you would expect. So number 1. Psychopaths are arrogant. Since psychopaths normally view themselves as better than everyone else, it's not surprising to learn that they have a tendency to be very arrogant. They will often show little regards for the opinions of others and try to show everyone that they always have the right answers. Their main priority on life is to look out for their own interests. They are famous for talking endlessly about their own accomplishments while having a little or no patience to listen to others talk about theirs. Number 2. Manipulation. One steady hallmark of the psychopath's behavior is the strong desire to manipulate and control others. They get very angry when people don't obey them. A psycho always has a master plan in mind and will often go to extremes to make it happen. Number 3. They lack empathy. One of the reasons psychopaths are so dangerous is that they usually do not have empathy for others. While most of us feel bad about even thinking about doing something awful to another human being, psychos do not have that standing in their way, making it much easier for them to do all kinds of unspeakable harm to others. They place the blame for relationship problems on their innocent partner and refuse to admit any wrongdoing. Number 4. Psychos are emotionally disconnected. The early days and weeks of a new relationship are usually filled with passion and showering of affection on one another, but with a true psychopath, this is all just an act crafted to keep the relationship moving forward. Psychopaths truly care for nobody but themselves. The relationship faces troubles because they are truly not invested in the relationship and have no genuine feelings that would motivate the normal person to work things out. Number 5. Disregard for the rules. Psychopaths are concerned only about themselves and therefore do not have any trouble disregarding rules because to them those were meant for other people. A common potential downfall for a psycho is that they will often see themselves as smarter than everyone else, and as a result, they believe the authorities will be too stupid to catch them and punish them. Number 6. Promiscuity. Psychopaths are quite likely to have multiple sexual relationships going on at the same time because they truly do not care for other people and do not form meaningful loving relationships. They just use their partner on the bed to fulfill their sexual desires. Psychopaths are often sex addicts. Most of the time, they get sexually frustrated when bored. The need for sexual fulfillment combined with a lack of real attachment keeps them cycling between relationships with a distinct preference for quantity over quality. Number 7. Lying. Telling lies is the psychopath's bread and butter. It's the basis for how they conduct their affairs, and it's one thing they never seem able to stop doing. A little lying here and there can make its way into almost any relationship, and discovering a few untruths does not necessarily mean you are dating a psycho. However, there's a pattern of serious and frequent lies that makes little sense to anyone other than a true psychopath. Remember, they see themselves as smarter than everyone else, and that often sets them up to be caught in their own web of lies. Number 9. Impulsive behavior. While it's not uncommon for things to move pretty rapidly at the start of a brand new relationship, the speed with which things progress when you are dating a psychopath may be a bit shocking. I mean, intensity will likely be on its maximum setting in this situation and could result in unusual and unexpected events. For instance, psychos are often so anxious for a relationship to progress that they will do things such as buying expensive gifts without any real regard for whether they can actually afford them. This means psychopaths can sometimes seem a little too nice, which is not healthy for the partner. Number 10. They are easily bored. A psychopath may have a genuine need to have a lot more going on in their life. They may crave excitement and risky activities, and that may be because they do not feel normal unless they are constantly being stimulated by exciting experiences, and anything else isn't much better than being dead. So these were the 10 signs your partner is a psychopath. Now if you find one of these signs in your partner, then I wish you a good luck, cause you're gonna have to deal with a hell lot of trouble in the future. So good luck guys, and I'll see you in the next video.